Hello, today on this windy day we have a 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe high country model. This model is equipped with a 22-inch high gloss black wheels. Very well equipped vehicle in the iridescent pearl tri-coat. Typically the Tahoes, we pre-sell them before they even arrive to the dealership with the deposit. I'm just going to do a quick overview of this vehicle. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm happy to help. I will have the window sticker to this model at the end of the video. Just going to go around. All the nameplates are in black on this vehicle to match the black wheels. Can say this is the first one I've seen like this. This is equipped with a 6.2 V8 engine. Of course, we'll show the back here. Nice view of those quad exhaust tips and your rear park assist. Of course, the high country models and LTZ family will have the power folding third seat. Just push the button and that will go right down, but the seat's blocking it, so it's not going to go down all the way. That's power up and down seats, and the tumble forward seats here are available in the luxury package as well. And you have a little power outlet here. Little storage right there, and you can program the height of the tailgate, liftgate, I'm sorry, here just by holding that down for a couple seconds. We'll go to the back. Before I do that, there's a better view of those tires and wheels. Alright. Of course, your power assist steps come right out. There's a view of the interior. This is a high country, so it has the jet black with this brown tone and piping here, and the nice stitching here on the sides. You can adjust the seats back and forth with this lever. This lever does this tumble, which can also be done right there from the back. So if the people in the back are, let me out, they can get out still. Nice power ports back here to charge your stuff if you're in the back on both sides. And then up above you have the panoramic sunroof with a power shade. I'll go ahead and put these back down and put these back up, and there you go. You got another power outlet right there. You got two more USB-Cs here, as well as your heated seats in the back. Oh, he's shaking the camera. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. This is going to be the controls, and it's nice you actually have the vents up here and right there. Sweet. Of course, Bose stereo is on this model. No worries, I'll show this a little closer up at the end of the video. There's quite a bit of goodies on this one. View from the front. Of course, high country in the headrest. These do have power seats on both sides, of course. I'll move that one back some. Little place for, really, I don't know what you'd fit in there. Leave in the comments if you know what in the world would go in that little tiny hole. It's just so little. Your glove box. Over to the side here, you do have a pretty deep console, and let's see if he's got it right there. Yeah, he got it right there. See, little hidden storage under here, which moves the cup holders back there. And when you do that, you have this little guy. Oh, he's hidden, you don't even see him. Pretty groovy. Going back up above, it's your universal home remote. Turns your door lights on and off. Your tumble seats left, tumble seat right. Your lift gate. Your shade. Your power sunroof. And then just your tilt on your sunroof. That's a cool thing on the mirror. You go flippy. You got a rear view camera there, which is super nice. Large display for your screen. This one is equipped with the surround vision as well. I'll go ahead and buckle my seat up right now to show you how that works, okay? So we're going to go into reverse just to bring the camera up easy. But you don't have to put it in reverse. I'm just showing you. I'll put it back in park and I'll close all that out. I'll go into my home menu here and go to cameras, and then it still show up. I'm still in park. You can shuffle the cameras around. I like this one because it shows you where you're at. So if you turn your wheels, it actually draws what you're doing. Your curb view is pretty great. Your trailer mode for your hitch view. Your lights, the lines I mean, on and off. And this is your convex view right there. This will be your trailer information. You want to start your light test if you're hooked up. Your phone, your Google map, your musics, and your home screen. Down below, it's going to have your tactile buttons to control your volume and your menu select button there. Dual climate control and driver and front passenger, and you also have a rear climate lock here. Hey, look, the cooled seats are on, and I didn't even do anything. Pretty neat, but they're turned on. You can turn them up loud if you want. Pretty nice. And this one will have heated steering wheel once the microchip comes in. It's your cruise control here, driver information center here, push to talk, and the hang up button. Most can be done hands-free once your phone's paired without even touching any buttons with Google. This is a cool button. It's your 360 button. It pulls up your cameras instantly. Like if you want to see what's going on without pushing that button on the home, I'll go ahead and do it again. There's the button, and there's the screen. How cool is that? Pretty cool. You have other cluster of buttons. You have your parking brake, your lane keep assist, lane departure warning, park assist button, auto stop. Anything orange means that it's on. This turns your power plugs on. You need to turn that auto stop off to utilize this so you don't have something getting power and losing power. Somebody had this on hill descent control, which I don't know why, but that's what that is. Traction control is here. HUD stands for head-up display. That will show up now. See I'm moving it up and downs. You can change what's displayed, and you can change the brightness here. This one does have, the trailer. This is going to be your transfer case. It does have the 2-speed transfer case and your mode, which just changes your mode for your driving mode. See what I'm doing? I'm just turning the little dial. Draws a little Tahoe driving down the street. Driving on the bricks and in tow haul mode. We'll put him back in normal. Over here's your memory setting right here. Your power locks and windows are on the door, of course. That's about all she wrote for this one. We'll have the window sticker at the end of this video. If you have any questions on this Tahoe, I do recommend putting your lead in to buywithbenny.com to secure it. It's going to be the Pearl High Country. It is available. I'm going to walk over here and get that window sticker for you. And I peeled it off the window because it was very hard to read in the glare. There's your standard equipment on this High Country model. And pause it if you want to read this a little better. I'm trying to not shake. And of course, your interior features, exterior. There's all your goodies for safety, because safety is important. And then right here has your options. It does have a credit for a few features, as you can see, for the lumbar and the two-way steering column lock, the lock for your, steering column lock. And then there's the price. There is no market adjustment here at the dealership. We don't have addendums on ours, except for like super rare stuff like ZR2s and Corvettes, but not on this guy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe below and have a wonderful day.